It's Culper here. I'm going to try to revisit the CBC number 3 challenge lot. Oh, hey, Black Mania. Yeah, it is. Commented. Let's see. This is other comments. Sorry. This is the Ball Buster. Where's it? I hope I'm saying that right. Was it Bill Buster? I think it's Ball Buster. It's a funny name there. I wasn't corrected last time, so yeah. The issue I had with this, I did tinker with it. Sorry guys. I did tinker with this. Got nowhere. I would have told you. It's a pretty tough lot. And I forget what it was. Oh yes, it kept sliding on me. You know, like it'd come down, and this, I don't know. I had it set a certain way where it wouldn't do that, but I forget how I had it now. So I guess we're just gonna hope and pray it doesn't move on us. I don't know. This is a way we could. Here, 1 second. Some of this stuff to use, maybe. Wrap it. Not modifying this at all. Just making it nice and round. We're gonna make some mini explosion. But yeah, I'm just hoping it will help hold down this cylinder in place. A little better. Yeah, it's already sliding. Maybe if I could just stay like that. As I start working on it, it's gonna move. Let's try. Okay. Let's see if it's too tight. Nope. Core's moving nice and fluid. What am I doing here? Picking a lot. Let's go. Alright, so 50 thousandths, if I remember correctly, yes. And let's give this another shot. Charles gave me a little bit of a hint. He told me his locks are meant to be picked gently. So that's what I'm gonna go for. The rotation. 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Give me a small one. Let's go back to 1. Okay, over a faucet, but we're definitely moving forward. Okay, so we got some counter on 2. I think we successfully. I think we did it. Yeah. Back to 1. No, I don't think we did. Okay, so we're gonna put three's bound tight. Where's that 4? Three's bound. I think 3 might be giving us a hint to do some counter. Here we go. One and 2. Everything feels loose. 5 was a bit crunchy there. Hope we didn't overset. Yeah, I'm not feeling anything. That kind of stinks. Thought we were getting somewhere. And I'm not gonna let go just yet. Oop. I thought that was one encounter. I don't. The pins are back down. That low pin. Excuse me. Sorry. Just drank some of that it's like cold coffee, and it kind of got my throat gummed up. Oh, we had a little click out of 3. A little core rotation, should I say. I thought we were overset. We had a bunch more that just came back down. Man. Alright. Let's try this one more time for the road. This is a pick it gently. I don't know if that means gentle tension. Got false set immediately. Not one didn't give us anything. Back to that false set. Maybe that's what he meant. Avoid the false sets and pick gently everywhere. I think these false sets are bound to happen. I think we just overset. 3 gives a faucet. I'm just gonna stop saying faucet. Even no, that was even bigger one now. I don't think we've been advanced this far. Yeah, there we go. Rotation. So I'm just tapping around in here. Maybe something will give us some sort of hint of counter. Much needed counter at this point. I don't think there's any more room for this faucet to rotate into. I'll use a different pick. I don't know what it's called. If you know what that's called, you're not even down here. Sorry about that. If you know what that's called, just let me know. It's part of Sparrow's set, but it does do a good job at finding some of those pins that are just usually high up there. It's a good job of getting into them. I don't know. I mean, see, 1, we have nothing. It's rock solid. 2 is up there, but nothing. 3, nothing. 4. So you gotta be careful about if you twist sideways there, then your counter tension wrench will move on you, or even the top one will. It'll trick you into thinking that you've got something. And he said pick gently, but hold on. Where do we go there? Yeah, this one's just not showing me any signs. Maybe there. Give it a try. Nope. It would have done something, I think. It's a huge faucet, by the way. Excuse me again. And we just screwed up something there. That's nice. I was just guessing, hoping for a well, we're back into that faucet, so I guess we can't be upset anymore. I think it was number 5 that gave it to us. Number 5 will get us out. Nope. Mess it up again. That's big in his advancement. I was hoping. just whenever you get that turning sensation, it's like makes you feel that you're about to open it, but where is that pin at? It's gotta be here somewhere. Try one maybe. Oh, there we go. Yes. Oh, Charles. I didn't even feel the feedback on that. I'm so glad I got this. Clear my throat one more time. That's awesome. That is exciting. Yes, and as promised, of course, you can see the key is still there, still taped up. Is this challenge or load lock Tuesday? I think, is it challenge lock Wednesday? I'm not sure. I might not care. I might just go ahead and post this bad boy up. I don't know. We'll see. But I do need to disassemble this, so let me get my stuff out. Take the bubble wrap off first. Thank you, bubble wrap. Awesome. This part of the package. Sorry, my throat is. I might be getting a little sick here. That was the coffee, but cleared up a little bit. Let's get back on track. All right. Let's look at this thing first. And that looks. Yeah, so it looks like a collar. I'm assuming. Excuse me. Oops. Sorry, I had to step away for a second. That was cool. Yeah, let's grabbing a little bit of everything. I don't know what we're gonna find in there. I'm assuming we'll just take off this C-clip here, and then we will use a follower after that. Let's size up that follower. Good pick, I think. Huh, actually I think it might work like that. Might be actually what it's designed for, why it's so hollow. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, let's these C-clips could sometimes be harder to get off to pick the lock itself. Oh, let's not mess that up. Well, I mean, I guess you could see that we're open and we can't go too far with it, but that's an open. Okay. So we're gonna use the key to go ahead and close it back, and I think we need a key anyway. save this. I'm sorry, it's off frame here. Yeah. Well, I guess we won't be able to use the same exact stuff because I think he has cardboard in there. Cardboard, why would you? Oh, you know what? Probably to stop someone from filling the bidding. And there we go. That's what we were working with. Bidding could suck sometimes. A little bit of a... It's got a lot of ups and downs here. It's a decent key, but it's really... I think it comes down to the pins. So yeah. I like to keep as much of this original tape as I can. It's stuck to me. Okay, so yeah, we got the key to, I'll be able to show you a close-up of that. Charles Bell's Crap 3 Ball Buster, panned on September 3rd, 2019. And it's locked back up, and the key, a little clunky, but it works. That's all that matters. Oh, there we go, it's smooth. Okay, let's stop doing that. Oh, we gotta get the clamp off. May have to fast forward to this part, guys. I don't know. I've got a, you know, thing to help get it out. I don't. Yeah, let's get that turned all the way around to this side. So I'm using this hook on here. Push this collar to where I can actually get some use out of this tool. Oh, I lost. Well, gosh. Okay. What's it on frame? Is that right? Alright, right here I think is where we can possibly. This tool sucks. I'm telling you, it really does. You know, I've got a excuse me. I've got another tool here. I bought it for something that I had that I knew I'd need it on. I don't think there's anything I could grab onto this with though. Really want to know. I mean, the anticipation is killing me now. I'm trying to figure out what is inside that. I can't get in because of a C-clamp. Yeah, it's not grabbing on. I don't have. Yeah, I could push it off. Come on, man. Was this part of the challenge, Charles? Huh? This clamp? No, I hate these clamps. Like, No tomorrow. Okay, we got some improvement there. Using the hook, and I'm going to use a small screwdriver right out of there. I may need to do a little bending back. Maybe, I don't know. How's the camera? It's right there. C-clamp almost up. Yeah, it's a lot looser. I had to kind of bend it. No worries there. I'll make sure that that gets crimped back on properly. And the am I disorganized whenever it comes to something so unexpected. I just decided to throw on a cam and start filming, but well, that's not gonna work. Oh, well, we're locked up. So, I thought we sized it up, right? But we did not size it up right. So, that's where our followers. This one should do it. I hope. I think. Let's see. Yes, we are in business. Okay, so we're gonna keep everything just like this. Okay, so immediately looking. That does not look nice. So that would have been pin number 5. So let's we're gonna do this. So this is 5. And 2 balls come out. 2 ball bearings. So, yeah. I'm going to keep everything as tight as possible, coming out to where they go in exactly the way they came out, because the next person doing this one, I want to, well, I guess this would be going to Murr, so good luck, Murr. Well, he's the king of challenge locks anyway, so. You'd think you're looking at driver pins. Alright, is there anything else in there? No, okay. Keep that in that direction. And we're going after the driver pins. We'll be putting them in order like that and then putting that back. Sorry guys, I gotta make sure I stay oriented. Alright, so driver pins will be down here. Mind frame, yes. one. So I'll pick it up, put it back the same way. Whoa. What a pin on 3. And they're all great pins. It's very, very difficult. I definitely feel like I accomplished something in the locksport today. In locksport. What is that? Is that another? This is gonna be hard to put back together. Is that a ball bearing? Or nope, it's not. I thought it was. Well, it definitely looks like it. Kidding me. Oh, wait till you see. Wait till you see. Okay. Springs. A lot of people like switching up their springs, so I'm gonna try to tap them out one at a time using the follower for accuracy. So that was spring 1. Spring down. I see it. I see it. I got him. Sorry. That means my kids will be here soon. That's why I decided to film, actually. It was, we were doing homework and all that good stuff, and oh, I see some counter milling in 2. How do you get in there? You must have taken this thing apart. I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna call it how I see it. Maybe I can get you a good photo or a good shot down there so you can see that. Counter milling in 4 as well. I believe it's called counter milling. That's just what I've heard it called, so that's what I'm calling it. That's what's in there. There we go. Yep. So as I suspected, different pins. By the way, we're putting them together like that. 1, and these will be going. Okay, so check this out. And Murr, if you're watching, you might not want to watch. I don't know. But this is what you'll be dealing with. The springs are all different. I'll try to identify the best I can. We have 1 pin here with a deep serration, 2 with a mild serration. These are the key pins, by the way. Do they call these gin bottles? I'm not sure what they call these. So chime in if you know. Is it tapered? Yeah, it's tapered up, so it kind of looks like a, yeah, I don't know. And this one just looks like a, well, of course it's just a big spool, but with most of that, most of the top portion, or just the bottom portion of the key pin. Yeah, and yeah, so what I thought was the 2 ball bearings, they sort of are, but they're like part of a like dog tag, you know. So that's this 1 link with two of the ball bearings that are found on dog tags, and this one is 3. Oops. Yeah. So I've got my dog tags up here. So I guess just for reference of size. That's interesting. I've never seen that that done before, but yeah. So definitely taken from. I don't know what the exact name for these things are, but it's definitely a dog tag chain like material used, and it was really tough. So there we are. Charles Builds Crap Challenge Lock 3 has been gutted, or picked and gutted. And are we missing anything here? Yep, the name Ball Buster. That's pinned on September 9th. I'm sorry, September 3rd, 2019, and it was picked on September 24th, 2019. Take care. Hey, just kidding. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the counter milling. You can see in 2 and 4. And I didn't think about it, but I looked on this one right here and found it. Come on, get on camera. Be on 2 and 3 in the for the key pins. So yeah, I don't know. Can you see that? You can't respond to me, can you? There we go. You can sort of see it, but trust me, they're there. So yep, that's it.